Ali and Bano. Fun-filled education for young ones.
Animal sounds. Let's explore the noisy animal kingdom. Hey young explorers! Today, we're going to learn all about the amazing sounds animals make. Get ready for a roaring good time. Our first animal friend is the lion, the king of the jungle. Lions make a mighty roar. It's one unique sound. Next, we have the elephant, the gentle giant. Elephants make a sound called a trumpet. It goes like this.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel, Ali and Bano.
Now, let's meet the cheeky monkey, swinging from tree to tree. Monkeys make a sound called whoop. Some monkeys screech as well. Now, let's soar through the sky with our feathered friend, the owl. Owls make a sound called a hoot. It sounds like this. Now, it's time to meet the mischievous dog. Dogs make a sound called a bark. Can you bark like a dog? Next up, we have the clever and curious cat. Cats make a sound called a meow. Try it out. Have you met the majestic horse galloping through the fields? Horses make a sound called a neigh. It's so powerful. Here comes the playful goat. Goats make a sound called a bleat. It sounds like this. Look, it's the friendly cow. Cows make a sound called a moo. Can you moo like a cow? Oh no, watch out for the slithery rattlesnake. Rattlesnakes make a sound called a rattle. Listen closely. Now, let's visit the farm and say hello to the chickens. Chickens make a sound called a cluck. Can you cluck like a chicken? Meet the cheerful donkey. Donkeys make a sound called a bray. It sounds like this. Look, it's the quacking duck. Ducks make a sound called a quack. Can you quack like a duck? Now, let's hop over to the pond and meet the funny frog. Frogs make a sound called a ribbit.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel, Ali and Bano.
Next, we have the mighty bear. Bears make a sound called a growl. It's so powerful. Listen carefully to the mysterious howl of the wolf. Wolves make a sound called a howl. Let's visit the farm again and meet the colorful turkey. Turkeys make a sound called a gobble. Now, let's take a stroll in the garden and listen to the sweet melody of the robin. Robins make a sound called a chirp. Finally, let's travel to the rainforest and meet the talkative parrot. Parrots make a sound called a squawk. Wow, did you hear all those amazing animal sounds? Each animal has its own unique sound that makes them special. Thanks for joining us on this exciting animal sound adventure. See you next time.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Ali and Bano. Fun-filled education for young ones.